obviously we want to get this thing out and drive it, put a couple miles on it. It is very, very, very quick. They say 0 to 60 in 3.8 seconds. We're going to test that a little bit here, not time it, but yeah, it will absolutely pin you back in the seat and hold you there. I didn't time that, rolling start, but we got up to 80 real quick. I drive a gas-powered F150 for my daily driver, and it's not a comparison. Got these nice digital gauges here, super easy to read. Everything's pretty easy to figure out what's going on, what they're trying to show you here. You got your range, speed, obviously, trip odometer, percent charge, stuff like that, and this massive touchscreen that basically controls everything in the truck. We don't have knobs and buttons and stuff like that for the AC and heat and heated seats and all that. It's all digital now, which is pretty cool. Nice interior. I mean, pretty comparable to your typical F-150 of this year, other than that big screen there. And this one's nicely optioned with the panoramic roof and everything. And these Lightnings, they're meant to be trucks. I mean, they're meant to do everything a typical truck can do. See, we've got the Pro Trailer backup assist on here. We've got a brake controller. I had to look up the spec, but I think it's still right around 10,000 pound towing and 2,000 pound payload, if I remember right. So, again, very, very comparable to what a gas-powered F-150 is doing. Pretty cool screen here. I like what it does when it starts up and shuts off. Just that little intro there. He's shooting pictures of it. He's down at the other end of the parking lot. See him?